Hi, I'm Kent, and welcome to Turn a Wood Bowl. You know, when I first got curious about turning wood bowls and trying to figure out how to go about turning wood bowls, there was some decent information out there, but it was kind of all scattered. I really couldn't find all of the detailed information I needed in one place. And that's why I've been working for years now developing turnawoodbowl.com. Turnawoodbowl.com is a website that's dedicated to nothing but turning wood bowls. Whether you're just trying to see if it's something you're interested in, or if you've been turning bowls for a long time, my website is loaded with information for you. You should check it out if you haven't already. That's the same thing I'm doing right here on this YouTube channel. I'm going to provide you detailed information about the various aspects of turning wood bowls so that you can build your skills and you can become great at turning wood bowls as well. It's a really exciting pastime, hobby. I kind of hate saying hobby because it makes it sound minuscule. This is an art form. It really is. It's more than that. It's almost an addiction. Once you've turned a few bowls and you realize how fun it is and you realize how good you can get at it, it's hard to stop. It truly is an addiction. And if you feel that way about turning wood bowls, then you've come to the right place. This channel and also my website, you've got to check them out. You've come to the right place, and I'm providing information for you to help you out. What I need from you in exchange are a couple things. If you're not already subscribing, please subscribe and click the bell after you've subscribed so that you get notifications when new videos come out. And I've got lots more videos on the way. If you've liked a video, click the like button and do me a favor, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, good and bad. Not so much of the bad, but if you have to. But more about what you're looking for, what you might be needing more information on. That's how I grow my information. That's how I get you the best information, is to know exactly what you need and what more you want from me. So help me out and I'll help you out. And as I always like to say when I finish my articles on my website and I finish my videos, until next time, happy turning.